Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that your photos are blurred or just bad. So here, as you can see, we do have our camera in our phone. Let's take first a microfiber cloth, which we have here, and just cleans this cameras here with very few delicate movement. It should help us to take some more focused, more sharp photos, less blurred, etc. Is the most common known issue. Then check if your camera, which is here too, is maybe some, I don't know, damaged or something like that. If it's damaged, your phone is just damaged and you have to change this to take the better photos. But if you don't have that, you have to use the Pro mode and adjust your photos to yourself. Let me just unlock my phone real quick. Enter camera app, next, and later. Here, as you can see, we do have our normal photo mode, but we can enter the Pro mode by tapping Pro Photo. Here, as you can see, we do have ISO, S, EV, autofocus, etc. I don't really know much about cameras and about taking photos, etc. But if you're a geek, you can learn that, and it will be easy for you to adjust photos to yourself. Apart from that, you can exit the application, which is the camera application, and go straight to the settings. Here in the settings, you can scroll all the way down to the system update and check for updates. Install the latest update, which is available for your device, because it may help, of course, you. Because maybe the developer published the better version, which has improved the camera features, camera things, or just fix some bugs that may occur. It's a common issue that bugs occur, that bugs are in our world, so yeah, remember that. And as an almost final tip, I recommend to install secondary unofficial application for our camera. It's unofficial application and only for the advanced people. The application is called GCam, and you can install the Google camera. You can install the APK file from the web browser and install the application. It should improve your photos for your device, I think so. And if the problem still occurs after all these tips I gave you, you have to contact the device support, of course the service, because you may have to change the camera itself, or maybe they will fix your device in other way. And that's it of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have some questions, if you have some drawbacks, if you have anything, just to tell me in the comments below. Even the worst hate is important to us to improve our language, videos, etc. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.